Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the app not installed error. If you are seeing the app not installed error on your Android phone, it usually means there is an issue with your device, the app, or the installation process. Keeping your Google Play Store and your phone updated can help prevent such errors. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix this issue. First, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile. In the drop-down menu, you will find different options. Here, select Settings by clicking on it. Now, tap on the down arrow icon on the right side of About. Scroll down and you will see the Play Store version. Then, tap on Update Play Store. If it is showing any updates here, you can start updating it. Make sure that your Play Store is up to date to fix any issues. Another way is to go to the settings. Now, scroll down and find the System Update option. Lastly, you can update your mobile phone. Make sure that your mobile phone is updated to its latest version. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.